My name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida down here in Zone 11, and today I want to talk to you about cucumbers.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman close so.
Okay, we all know what cucumbers should look like. You go to a grocery store and you get this. This is a nice, beautifully formed cucumber, right? Now, you might be wondering, why do not all of your cucumbers look so nice? You may have a cucumber that looks something like this. Okay, so this cucumber, what happened to it? What causes cucumber deformities? That's what I'm going to talk about today. Because not all cucumbers will be coming out looking like your almost perfect cuke. So cucumbers are one of those things that I feel like just about every gardener wants to grow cucumbers. Cucumbers can be used in a variety of dishes. We put them in our salads. We might put them in lettuce wraps. We may even use them to make pickles. And I feel like it's something that everybody feels like is an easy win. The number one reason why this happens, these deformities or these little oddly shaped cucumbers happen, is from a pollination issue. Okay, so it causes them to be nicely formed on one end and then skinny on the other end. Cucumbers, like other plants, need to be pollinated. So you have to have your little bees and butterflies coming around to do the work. So if it is extremely cloudy, you have excessive humidity or excessive rain, those things can also reduce the bee activity, which will also make it harder for your pollen to stick. So your weather can impact your cucumbers. However, you can still grow your cucumbers. Each little seed inside of the cucumber needs to be pollinated in order for it to have that perfectly shaped fruit that we all know and have enjoyed. However, if a female flower does not get enough pollination, then it will not form a perfectly shaped cucumber, missing some of that pollination. Then what you can do is try to plant flowers such as marigolds that are going to actually attract butterflies. These will also help to deter some other insects. Think about also avoid using broad pesticides. Not only will those pesticides control bugs that you don't want, but they will also harm the larvae of beneficial insects such as your bees and your butterflies. So don't forget that. If you want to, you are actually able to hand pollinate your plants. So you can take a paintbrush or a little Q-tip or even a flower bud and rub the male flower onto the female part, and you are able to help pollinate by hand your plants. That will help you get better cucumbers as well. If you aren't sure if you have having enough insects in your garden, you may use your hand pollination. The second reason why, besides a pollination issue, could be a weather or condition issue. So if it has been extremely rainy, like it has been here, or it's super hot, cause your pollen to not be as viable, or to even stop the pollen production inside of those male flowers. A third reason is your male versus your female flowers. Cucumbers have two sets of flowers. There are some hybrids that only have one set, and they are only female flowers. The female flower has a little piece on the end that looks like a little baby cucumber. Okay, that is the part that has to be pollinated by the male flower. If the flowers are not open at the same time, so if your male flower is not open at the same time as your female flower, it's going to be another reason why your cucumbers are not being properly pollinated. So what do we do with our funny little cucumber? Two things. One, we're going to eat it. As you can see, those cucumbers, perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and cut this up right into my salad. Nothing's wrong. Gorgeous in the salad. Tastes like a cucumber. Nothing different. Here's a cucumber. The second part, this right here, compost it. What else? It'll bring back life. So Thank you so much for watching this video today. I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. If you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something new, please comment below. Let me know what you do with your cucumbers. I have never pickled my own cucumbers, and I would love to know some recipes. If you have any recipes you're willing to share, please comment below. And also, if you feel so inclined, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and turning on your notifications so you know when I have uploaded a new video. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Happy growing.